Fabric First is really important in that it's not the only means by which we're going to get to the standard that we require, but it's the first means by which we're going to get to the standard. We have to ensure that the envelope of the building is as good as it can be, i.e. the fabric is as good as it can be, and that's the Fabric First approach. Once we get to that standard, we can then bring in the other more high-tech solutions, such as photovoltaics, heat pumps, ground source, air source heat pumps, those sorts of things. And also technologies that may come along in the decades ahead of us that have yet to be invented. But we must get the Fabric First to a really, really high standard so that we do it once and we don't have to go back and revisit that. So if we're doing insulation, if we're doing PIR insulation, it should be as good as it can be, and therefore we don't have to revisit it. We then come on to do the next level of improvement, which may be those more high-tech solutions. So Fabric First is essential, and I think everybody now understands the need for Fabric First, and yet, yes, absolutely, that must be the driver at this stage before we go on to more complex and more high-tech solutions to add to the fabric that's already in the building.